Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package from Zulaysnails. This is her scoops that she does every couple months. This was for April. I actually missed my order being scooped. I was at a concert Wednesday night. She did put the scoops for sale on Saturday, which was what, the 8th, I think it was. But she had a thing, she was live, I think it was Friday night, last Friday, and she did a thing where we could order, if we were in the live, we would have a half an hour to order early. So I went right on and ordered my scoops. So I got 2 acrylic, 1 bling, and 1 nail art. This is the first time that she's done the nail art scoop, so I went ahead and ordered one of those. So I don't know what I got because I wasn't there during the TikTok live. So yeah, I just opened it just to check thing, you know, but I didn't like look at like all the acrylics and stuff. I just kind of glanced real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this opened. All right, I'm so excited because I know she put some new acrylics in there, kind of like spring ones, I think. So let's see. All right, so yeah, TikTok party bag. That's what she's calling them now instead of like scoops, I guess. So I did get 2, and then I got 1 of the nail art and 1 of the bling. All right, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I see a little hand. Oh my gosh, I think this is from, yeah, this must be from the nail art. Oh my gosh, that's too funny. So I got a little hand. Oh, these are cute. Gummy bears. They have like glitter in them. Super cute. Let's see. Oh, these cute little bunnies. I've seen these around, and I did actually get some in a giveaway, but I didn't really, I think I only got 1 of the pink like this. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, that's cute. It's a cat, like on like a cupcake, I guess. Oh, these are cute. I don't have any of these. Like for Valentine's Day, the heart, like the Cupid with the arrow through it. The heart with the arrow, super cute. They're like the holographic. And then, oh, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So these are like little snowflakes, but look how freaking shiny they are. They're not flat back. They're like that kind, but look at that. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this was not the bling scoop. This was the nail art. This is the one that she hasn't had, well, since I've been ordering the scoops. Oh my gosh, these are super pretty. I think she said she put dangly charms. Oh my god, these are so pretty. It dangles. I don't know, it's hard to see, but oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's like Hello Kitty in like a bear costume. Yeah, like I said, I didn't get to see my scoop, so I'm like seeing all this for the first time. Oh my gosh, look at all these. Oh, these flowers. I got purple, 2 yellow, and blue, and they have the little gold balls. So since I did get 2 yellow, I'm going to put 1 in the giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway at 750. I'm almost there. I think I'm at like 745. So I only need 5 more subscribers, and then I'm gonna do my giveaway. Oh my gosh, look at Kirby. I don't have any Kirby charms. These are super cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, another hand. Oh my gosh, that is funny. I'm gonna put this in a giveaway too, since I got 2. Yeah, you can decorate the little hand, I guess people do. Oh, these are cool. These are like neon blue little rhinestones. Oh wow, these are pretty. And then these. And I got these. Oh, these are really pretty. Look at these first. Ooh, these are really pretty. These are really, really pretty. Look at these. They're like a purpley, but then they have like a peach kind of tone. Look at that. How pretty. Oh, wow, these are super cute. I don't have charms like this. Look at these. How cute. The different color flowers. Oh, transfer foil. Oh, foil transfer gel. Oh, cool. Yeah, I haven't tried hers. And then I got a marble ink. Ooh, it's blue. Ooh. Pretty. All right, yeah, that was definitely a good scoop. All right, and so I did get one bling scoop. And so this is my scoop here. It's just got a whole bunch of different, I see like a butterfly. I love these like pink opal colors. Oh, that square one's cool. Oh man, oh, look at this. Oh, that one's beautiful. So cool. All right, so these are my acrylics. You know what, I'm gonna move this box here, I'll be back. All right, so I did get 2 acrylic scoops, and this is what I got in my scoops. I got 5 of the 1 ounce, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 of the 0.5, which I think is good. Yeah, I think these, oh cool, these mermaid ones are her new ones. Mermaid flake. You can see through there. Of course, I'm going to swatch them. Gunmetal gray. You know what? I think I have this one actually. Oh, that's pretty. You know what? If I do, I'm going to, whatever ones I have like doubles, I'm going to put them in a giveaway. Okay, so yes, I do have the larger one, the gunmetal gray. So I'm going to be putting this one in the giveaway. All right, and I got Baddie. Looks like a gold color. Well, I'll show them when I swatch them, but I just want to show them real quick. 3-in-1 Gold Digger. Get these, I'm excited for the mermaid flakes. Oh my goodness, and I got 3 of them. And then I got G21. Look at that, all the different glitters. 046 looks like a pink. 072 another type of like cover pink, and then 007 and then G16 another just another glitter. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these swatched. I think I might have one of these already, so if I do, then I'm gonna put it in the giveaway because I recognize, I don't know, some of these pinks. But okay, I'll go get my swatch sticks. I'll be right back. All right, I just want to say I did check real quick. I do have the 072. I already have this one that I opened, so I'm gonna open this one, and I already swatched it. This is the color. It's like a milky pink. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna be putting this one in the giveaway. So it's gonna be 2 acrylics in there. All right, so this is 007, and it's a real pretty pink. Really, really pretty. And I really do love her acrylics. I've used them in quite a few sets, and they are very easy to work with, very nice to work with. They're just beautiful, and I really do like them, or I wouldn't be buying them if I didn't like them. So they are really, really good acrylics. So please make sure you check her out. And I absolutely love her monomer. I actually need to order more monomer. I actually wanted to order it when I placed the order for the scoops, and I just totally forgot. Got too excited because I only had half an hour to order, so I just wanted to hurry up and order my scoops. But yeah, her monomer, I love her monomer. It does not give me a headache or make me feel sick, because I was using the Young Nails monomer before, and oh my gosh, I was getting so many headaches and just feeling sick. But when I use hers, I don't feel that way. So I mean, of course it still has a smell, but it's not overpowering and it's not a bad smell. So I do highly recommend her monomer, the Smooth Set monomer. So yeah, I totally missed the number here of the other pink one. But yeah, this pink too is really pretty. I like her cover pinks. And then this is the Mermaid Flake. I think that said number 3. The yellow, and it's so pretty. I love her glitter. Her glitters, I don't know, the glitters that she uses are just, they're so pretty. They're like holographic. I don't know, they're just like super pretty. So yeah, I don't have any of these kind with the little flakes in them. That one's really, really pretty yellow. And then this is the Mermaid Flake number 4. It's like an orange, but to me it didn't look, I don't know, it didn't come out real orangey. I'll show in a minute. I compare the yellow and then this one. This one just looks like, to me, like a darker shade of yellow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put one of them in the giveaway. So let me know if you like the lighter one or this darker, you know, the kind of orange one. Let me know, because I'm gonna put one in the giveaway, and I want to put one that, you know, that you guys like. So yeah, the only thing I did was swatch them. So yeah, it will not have the seal on it, but yeah, I don't want to have two that are kind of similar, so I'd like to give it away. But it is really pretty. It's just a little bit lighter, but it's not really like orange to me. And this is the Mermaid Flake number 2, and this is, oh, her blues are just so pretty. I have her flower collection, and it's a blue like this, but it has the fine glitter, and so this one has the flakes in it, and it's just so pretty. I need to use these blues soon, and you know, spring and summer. But yeah, I was so happy that she actually just today is Sunday, the 16th, and she posted the first like 2.5 hours of the TikTok scoop on YouTube. So I went on YouTube when she posted it, and I got to see my scoop. So I was like, oh wow, that was cool. But yeah, I received it. I mean, I received it on Friday, and she scooped it on Wednesday, the 12th, and I received it on Friday. So yeah, really fast. She's really good with the shipping, super fast. So, and yeah, look how pretty. I don't know, it reminds me of Cinderella's dress. I just love it. And this is Baddie. This is that gold. And I am putting this one, I'm putting this one in the giveaway too. Just because I have so many golds and stuff already. I think I have another one like this of hers. So yeah, I just want to give put that one in the giveaway also. That one's really pretty though, pretty gold. And then this is the G16. This is a chunky glitter one, and I like this green. It's like a soft, I mean, perfect for spring. Really, really pretty. It kind of reminds me of like the Easter grass that you put in the Easter baskets, like the lighter one. I don't know, it just reminds me of that. So pretty. But yeah, all of her products that I've gotten and I've tried, I absolutely love her products. I mean, the quality is really good. I just really enjoy them. And also in my giveaway, I'm going to be putting some of her bling too. I have a box specifically for her bling. I'm actually sorting all my bling right now. And so I'm going to be putting some of her bling that I got into the giveaway too. So make sure you subscribe so you can join in the giveaway. So yeah, once I hit 750, I'm going to post the what's going to be in the giveaway. And then this is G21, and this is the same glitters as the green one, but it's just red. It has like red and like, I think it has like lighter pinks in it and like a gold shimmer. I don't know, it's really pretty. It's just got a bunch of different colors in it. It's really pretty. And I think she said she was gonna do some more scoops in May, I think she said. I'm not sure, but I thought that's what she said in her last video, that she was gonna do, or in the live, that she was gonna probably do scoops in May. So make sure you follow her Instagram, because that's where she posts all her scoops, mostly on her stories. So make sure you're subscribed to Zulaysnails and then Zulay Nail Shop. She has two, one for like the nail shop and one, you know, for hers, but she posts on both. So yeah, make sure you're following her on Instagram so you can find out when the scoops are going to be. And also her TikTok lives are just so fun. I love her lives. I try to catch every live and it's just, oh, it's so fun. Look at that color, how pretty. So yeah, these are the 3 mermaid flakies, or flakes. I call them flakies. Super pretty. And then these are the 2 little chunky glitters. That's Baddie. And then the 2 pinks. Really pretty. I love her cover pinks. And this is the 072. This is the one I'm putting in the giveaway, because I already have this color. And then I also have this color too, so that's going in the giveaway. That real pretty gray. Oh, I love it. And then the 3-in-1, it's a... You can use it to sugar, you can add it to your acrylics, or you can use it as a chrome powder. I looked it up on the website, so I'm putting that in the giveaway too, because I have so much glitter and stuff, it's crazy. So yeah, but yeah, this is everything I got in my scoops, and I'm so happy with my scoops. Well worth it. I mean, this is so much product for what you pay. All the acrylics, the nail art. I hope she does the nail art scoop again in the next one, because I absolutely loved it. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to be putting the acrylics in my giveaway, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate everyone, and we'll see you next time. Bye.